Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn all the arc tools in SolidWorks Sketch, the 3-point arc, Centerpoint arc, and tangent arc. Arcs are essential for creating smooth corners, curved profiles, and precise geometry. Let's get a start. First, create a new part here. Double click here or click and click. And we have a new part here, then a sketch, and select the plane. We use front plane. As you know, we need plane in SolidWorks because we need a 2D reference surface to place and control sketch. Here, the arc, center point, arc, tangent arc, and 3-point arc. Let's start with Centerpoint arc. These tools creates an arc based on a fixed center point. First click the center of the arc, second click the start point, and third click is the end point of the arc, like that. The center, start, and end. Center, start, and end. Use Centerpoint arc when you need a perfectly controlled radius. You're designing circular profiles. You want symmetry around the center points. Next one, tangent arc. Tangent arc automatically creates an arc that is perfectly smooth and tangent to the previous sketch element. How it's work? First, select the end point of line or another arc. Move your mouse and SolidWorks create smooth tangent arc like that. Like that. We use this type of arcs when we want smooth and continuous curves, when you are designing ergonomic shapes, and when you want to avoid sharp corners. The next one is 3-point arc. How it's work? First click the start point, second click the end point, and third click is the arc radius. First click, second click, and the radius. So use 3-point arc when you know the start and end points, when you want full control of curvature and shape, when you need to match an existing geometry. So review this lesson. We speak about arc, Centerpoint arc, perfect radius control, tangent arc, smooth automatic curve, continuation, and 3-point arc, most flexible, set start and end points freely. These tools are essential for creating clean, professional sketches. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe, and continue the full SolidWorks course playlist. Bye bye.